It seems like everyone is sleeping on Facebook right now. And if you are a content creator or you're aspiring to be one, you need to be posting on Facebook. Now, you might think that Facebook is dead or outdated, but I assure you that the organic reach and the payouts are absolutely insane right now on Facebook. I built my Facebook theme page to over 350,000 followers in under 1 year, and it is my #1 favorite paying platform right now. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what's working, how I'm posting, and the type of content that I create so that you can duplicate my system even if you're starting from zero. So let's go ahead and start with what's actually working. As you can see, about 90% of my views come from photos. Now, these are actually very simple memes and infographics that I create while modeling other viral content that's already proven to work, and I add my own little twist on it. Now, these are not photos that I'm taking of myself, and these are not like realistic snapshots, right? These are photos that are created in Canva. They're simple, shareable, and easy to crank out in high volume. And next, I automate all of this by scheduling that content to go out almost every single hour. So my page continues to stay active 24/7 around the clock without me sitting there manually posting and micromanaging my page all day long. So my goal is simplicity and volume. The more that I post, the more data that I get, and that is how I continue to scale. Next, let's go ahead and look at some recent results, right? Because I like to share with you guys things that are working right now. So $753 in the last 7 days, with 1 day of that bringing in $200, and that is just from the posts on Facebook, right? That doesn't include the additional affiliate offers, digital products, and other monetization strategies that I'm working on. And so here's a few examples of some individual posts over just the last couple of days that have been working great. So this one has 173,000 views, 11,000 engagements, and it earned $26. Now, the most that I've been paid for a single post on Facebook is $500. However, these $20 posts really continue to stack up quickly. And I already have several students earning in the $20 and $30 range for individual posts, right? This is one photo that takes like 2 seconds to post to Facebook. Here's another post, 137,000 views, 7,000 engagements, and $18 earned. And then this one, 259,000 views, 12,000 engagements. That one was actually just a text post, right? Just text written directly on Facebook. And so you can see just how simple and powerful this is, right? This isn't Reels. This isn't putting yourself on video. If you can type words onto Facebook, you too can do this. And next, once a post actually does well, then I go and I search relevant Facebook groups for my particular niche with the keywords, and then I'm going to share the post directly into that group. So this continues to drive huge reach and huge visibility, which ultimately leads to more views, engagements, and pay. Now, I currently post around 20 times per day on my page. Some creators are absolutely crushing it with 5 to 6 posts per day. Others post just 1 time per day, and they do those long story posts with their own individualized, realistic photos of themselves, and that works too. I wouldn't say necessarily that there is one perfect formula. The key is to find your own rhythm and bandwidth and what works for you. But if you're looking for a method that isn't flashy or complicated and you don't have to be creative, what I share on my channel here and inside of my course is simple and duplicatable for everyone. You really don't have to be creative at all. You just have to be consistent and willing to do a little bit of research. And of course, the more you post, the more you're going to start recognizing patterns of what goes viral in your niche, and then you can create more content just like that. One of my favorite sayings is a rising tide lifts all ships. Anytime that I dive into a strategy for making money online, I always love to put together a community, because more brains together working on the same thing helps everyone rise together, right? You get a chance to see what's working for other people, lessons that they're learning, things that are working right now, and it's going to cut the time in half of how far you can go. And it will change how you show up to your business every single day. A community is so, so important. I hope this inspired you to keep taking consistent action, to keep posting, to keep showing up every single day, and to find yourself a community that you can connect with on a daily basis so that you stay plugged in and motivated towards your goals. The reach and the money is too good on Facebook right now to ignore. And I'm excited to be your guide in this arena right now. All of my best resources are linked for you down below. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask those in the comments and I'll be sure to check on you. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper into growing on Facebook and monetizing it, check out the next video that I've linked directly below, and I'll see you over there.